children, I am going to take English for you. So this is a new poem. If you have English textbook, please open your English textbook and please take your English textbook and open page number 108. Okay children, so I think all of you got your English textbook and I opened page number 108. So this is a new poem. The poem name is My Pig Won't Let Me Watch TV. Pig means what children? The pig means handi. Children, so that is also watching the TV. So this poem was written, this poem is saying that my pig won't let me watch the TV. So this is for memorization. So I am going to read the poem, listen carefully. Do you have a pet at home? How does it behave with you? Discuss with your friends how it would be if your pet told you what to do at home. So I think somebody have pets at home like dog, cat and all. Okay children? Now I am going to read the poem. My pig won't let me watch TV. It's totally unfair. He watches anything he wants but doesn't even share. I never get to watch cartoons or anything like that. He is busy watching farming shows. I should have got a cat. I should have got a goldfish or a junior pig or goat. Instead, I have got this pig who is always hogging the remote. So, this is a poem about a pig and the author and the TV. Now, I am going to explain. My pig won't let me watch TV. It's totally unfair. He watches anything he wants but doesn't even share. So this author has got a pig and that pig is not giving a time to watch TV for others because it is very unfair. So he sees the TV that he wants to see anything and he is not sharing the TV with anyone. Next, I never get to watch cartoons or anything like that. He is busy watching farming shows. I should have got a cat. So this author is saying that I am not getting time to watch cartoons or anything else that is coming in the TV. So this pig is busy in watching the farming show. And the author is thinking that I must have a cat instead of a pig. Next, I should have got a goldfish or a junior pig or goat. Instead, I have got this pig who is always hogging the remote. And the author is saying that I must have a goldfish or a junior pig. Junior pig means tailless South American rat-like animal. So that junior pig will be an animal that is like a rat, but it has not got a tail. Or junior pig or goat, but he has got this pig, and this pig is always not sharing the TV with others. He is selfish and he is always keeping the remote in this with him only. A remote means a device that allows to operate the television from a far distance. So ಪಿಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಹಂದಿ ಈ ಟಿ ವಿನ ಆ ಥರಗೂ ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆ ಪಿಗ್ಗಿಗೆ ಏನು ಇಷ್ಟ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾರ ಹತ್ರನೂ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಆ ಥರಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರ್ಟೂನ್ ನೋಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಆಸೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆದರೆ ಇದು ಪಿಗ್ಗು ಹಂದಿ ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅವನು ಅದು ಹಂದಿ ಏನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬ್ಯುಸಿಯಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಶೋಸ್ನ ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಬ್ಯುಸಿಯಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಆ ಥರ ತಿಳ್ಕೊತಾರೆ, ಅಯ್ಯೋ ನನಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ ಆದರೂ ಇರಬಾರ್ದಾಗಿದ್ದ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ, ಮತ್ತು ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಫಿಶ್ಶು, ಜೂನಿಯಾ ಪಿಗ್ಗು, ಗೋಟು ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರಬಾರ್ದಾಗಿತ್ತ, ಆದರೆ ನನಗೆ ಈ ಪಿಗ್ ಬಂದು ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಅವನ ಹತ್ರನೇ ರಿಮೋಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆಗಿಗಂದರೆ ಸೆಲ್ಫಿಶು. ಅವನ ಹತ್ರ ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕು, ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾನೇ ನೋಡಬೇಕು, ನನಗೆ ಸಿಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತು ರಿಮೋಟು ಆ ಪಿಗ್ ಹತ್ರನೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್, ನಾ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ರೀಡ್ ದ ಪಯಮ್ ವಿತ್ ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಲಿಸನ್ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ. MY PIG pig, WON apostrophe T won't, LET let, MEME, WATCH watch, TV. ITS it's, TOTALLY totally, UNFAIR unfair. HEWATCHES watchers, ANYTHING anything, HEWANTS wants. Beauty but, DOESNT doesn't, EVEN even, SHA or share. My pig won't let me watch TV. It's totally unfair. He watches anything he wants but doesn't even share. Next para. I NEVER never, GT get, TO2 WATCH watch, CARTOONS cartoons, ORR ANYTHING anything, LIKE like, THAT that. HES he's, BUSY busy, WATCHING watching, FARMING farming, SHOW shows. SHOULD showed, HAV have, GOT got, CAT cat. I never get to watch cartoons or anything like that. He is busy watching farming shows. I should have got a cat. Next para. I SHOULD should, HAV have, GOT got, GOLD gold, FISH fish, or GUINEA junior, PIG pig, or GOAT goat. INSTEAD instead, IVA I have, that is a short form. I have, that is a for short form, I apostrophe VE. I have, GOT got, THIS this, PIG pig. WHO apostrophe S, who is. KLWYS always, HOGGING hogging, TH the, REMOTE remote. I should have got a goldfish or a junior pig or goat. Instead I have got this pig who is always hogging the remote. So this poem was written by Kenan Nesbitt. KENNNESBITT. Kenan Nesbitt. So once again I am going to read this poem. Listen carefully. My pig won't let me watch TV. It's totally unfair. He watches anything he wants but doesn't even share. I never get to watch cartoons or anything like that. He is busy watching farming shows. I should have got a cat. I should have got a goldfish or a junior pig or goat. Instead I have got this pig who is always hogging the remote. Now here new words means meanings. Goldfish. Goldfish means a small reddish golden fish found in ponds and an aquarium. Junior pig, a tailless South American rat-like animal. Next, hogging. Hogging means selfish, not sharing with others. Next, remote. Remote means a device that allows us to operate the television from a distance. So next, question answers. What does a pig watch? So the pig watches anything he wants. Which program does the child want to watch? So the child want to watch the cartoons. What other pets does the child desire for other than the pig? So the child desires cat, goldfish, junior pig or goat. Okay children? Any doubt children? So I think you could have understood this poem. So shall I ask some questions children? So who is watching the TV children? So the pig is watching the TV. So what does the pig watch children? Can anyone say? So the pig watches anything he wants. Next, here the child, which program does the child want to see children, want to watch? So the child want to watch cartoons. So how is the pig busy? So the pig is busy watching farming shows. Next, what other pets does the children desire for? So the child desires cat, goldfish, junior pig or goat. Okay children? So any doubt children? If you have any doubt you can ask me. So I am giving the notes also. So please write the notes in the classwork neatly. Okay children? Thank you.